Have you ever wondered what daily life was like in the 13 colonies? It was more than washing clothes, baking bread, and farming. People lived differently in the colonies for many reasons. For city dwellers in places like Boston and Philadelphia, life buzzed with activity. Streets had special stores where people would make and sell all sorts of items, from shoes to candles. While some men worked at the harbor, women were mainly responsible for taking care of the household. They mended clothes, cooked, and educated the children. Many families had as many as 10 kids. As well as getting an education, children often helped within the home or worked to earn money for the family. In rural colonies, people usually lived on farms, often miles away from the nearest town or city. For most, the daily routine involved waking up early to attend to the animals and crops. Indentured servants owed money for their trip to the colonies and had to work for years to pay it back. Life could be very hard for enslaved Africans. Brought to the colonies against their will as part of the transatlantic slave trade, men, women, and children were forced to work a variety of jobs for no pay, without any hope of ever being free. Colonialism also changed the way Indigenous people lived. When European settlers came and wanted more land, they often forced Indigenous people to leave their homelands, disrupting their traditional way of life. Where you lived, your gender, and your background made a big difference to daily life in the colonies. How was daily life different based on where you lived in the colonies?